Okay, I'm teacher John. This is my kindergarten class. Today we're doing a nature trail. We're on the look for leaves, flowers, butterflies, birds. We're looking for grass, trees. Anything they find, they just tick. If they can't see it, they put an X, we can't see. And I think we've checked everyone. Have we all got? Yeah. All good? Yeah. Once we've found them, we take this back to the class, we colour, and that's the end of the nature trail for today. Thank you very much.